So when creating Tala, we wanted to create a place where we can tell stories about Samoan food.
It's an ancient way of cooking, now used in a contemporary setting.
Not just using European appliances. It's an actual Samoan restaurant that we use Samoan cooking techniques. And everybody's learning from it and they're super excited about it.
Tala is Samoan for story or tale, a name that was inspired by Chef Henry's childhood.
My mom used to work at a hotel in Samoa. It's called Tusitala. I've always liked that name. What Robert Louis Stevenson stood for as the Maori movement, and he told some pretty good stories too, Those are the memories of me growing up in Samoa.
And it's that feeling the chef wants to capture, to tell his own tales of Samoa, but revisited and refined.
The food does seem pretentious, but in order for anything to grow, pretension is needed. Food in Samoa is so ceremonial. I remember being nervous to pull me out, oh my gosh, I forget my solo today. Like, oh my gosh. Europeans, they just get the menu, but Samoa, no. You have to say things like, chicken with some dressing.
The idea has been in the making for 9 years, and Chef Henry's been keen to bring modern Samoan cuisine to Auckland's Parnell.
We knew that Parnell might be coming up on an upswing again. Parnell is a good place that has really strong roots as far as the Auckland dining scene.
And helping bring Tala to life has been Henry's wife, Debbie, who has been a vital ingredient in the process.
Definitely, we bring different strengths to this. So, his in the cooking end of it, for me, coming from a corporate background and a legal background, has really lent itself well.
Instead of your traditional menu, the couple have created 2 dining journeys for guests to enjoy. The chef's journey for a more interactive sitting, and the whangongo journey for a more intimate experience.
We wanted to create a place where we can tell stories about Samoan food. If it's something new, education of the audience is probably the most important thing. I'm telling my story or the story of the food or story of the produce through the meal and the experience.
The intricate detailing of the restaurant also pays homage to the homeland, an experience Debbie will always cherish.
We lived with Henry's family for a bit, and you quickly become immersed in cultures. It was that time that gave me an understanding and a respect for what's important in the culture and what would be important in delivering that guest experience.
Hoping to impress customers with this immersive experience, Tala's fine dining Taste of Samoa is now open for all to enjoy.
Have a seat, relax, forget the world, and just experience Samoan hospitality.